Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Troubleshooting Python not recognized in CMD, command prompt. Introduction. One common issue that Python developers may encounter is the Python not recognized error in the command prompt, CMD, on Windows. This issue usually occurs when the system is unable to locate the Python executable in the system's path. This tutorial will guide you through the steps to troubleshoot and resolve this problem. Make sure that Python is installed on your system. If it's not installed, download and install the latest version from the official Python website, https://www.python.org/downloads. Sometimes, the Python executable path is not added to the system's path variable during installation. Follow these steps to add it manually. Find the Python installation directory. By default, it's located at c:\users/username/appdata/local/programs/python/python 3x. Replace your username with your actual username and 3x with the installed Python version. Copy the path to the Python executable, example c:\users/username/appdata/local/programs/python/python 3x/python.exe. Open the Start menu, search for Environment Variables, and select Edit the System Environment Variables. In the System Properties window, click the Environment Variables button. In the Environment Variables window, find the path variable in the System Variables section and click Edit. Click New and paste the path to the Python executable. Click OK to close each window. Open a new command prompt window and type the following command to verify that Python is recognized. Or, for Python 3. If Python is installed and added to the path correctly, you should see the Python version number. After modifying the path variable, close and reopen the command prompt to apply the changes. Ensure that there are no typos in the Python executable's name when typing commands in the CMD. The correct command is Python or Python 3, not Python or any other variation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Python not recognized issue in CMD. If the problem persists, double-check the steps and consider reinstalling Python to ensure a clean installation. ChatGPT. Certainly. Here's a tutorial explaining what to do when Python is not recognized in command prompt, CMD, in Windows. When attempting to run Python commands in command prompt, CMD, on a Windows system, you may encounter an error stating that Python is not recognized as an internal or external command. Ensure Python is installed on your system. To verify if Python is installed and accessible via CMD. If Python is installed but not recognized in CMD, follow these steps to add it to the path. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of Python not being recognized in command prompt on your Windows system. Feel free to adjust the steps according to specific system configurations or Python versions installed. ChatGPT.